Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, 5 ways to tell the items you're looking at on Amazon probably have mostly fake reviews. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So way number 1, method number 1, or tip number 1, check out these books by this author named Tom Leslie. You can see that all of them, 43 in the first case and 29 in the second case, are 5-star. There's not even like a half star, which shows that there's a little bit of a mix. These are all 5-star. So that is a red flag, number 1 red flag for you. Number 2 is that the reviews have a lack of detail. And indeed, when we dig into Tom Leslie's reviews, you can see that it's just one sentence, maybe 2 sentences in all. There's no real details. It's all very vague. Real world examples, no specifics. So that is tip number 2 to spot the fake reviews. And then for number 3, the wording of the reviews is very similar. Indeed, you can see for this particular title, this item on Amazon, all of the reviews have kind of the same style of writing, like 1, 2, 3 sentences in each one, short sentences, 1 line each, and even the names of the people are similar. You can see that the first letter of the person's first name is capital, second letter is lowercase. Same thing with Emmy Don, the next reviewer, and Yamilet Carter, the third reviewer, and Dulce Falk, the fourth reviewer. And by the way, the names don't even really sound that real. So that's way number 3. There's another way to spot the fake reviews. This is tip number 4, and the reviews are all concentrated in the same time period. So this is a set of reviews for a relatively new item on Amazon, and you can see all of them appeared at the same time, the same week in early June, sometimes on the same day. So that is a red flag. What this person appears to have done, by the way, is actually mixed in 4-star reviews to throw off people's suspicions. And the last way, the 5th tip for spotting fake Amazon reviews, is to see if the reviews are glowing with a small negative. So this is actually a really good example here. For instance, this person says, the only reason I didn't give it 5 stars is because it lacked personality, which made it feel repetitive for me. So that's a small negative. It's not a deal breaker. So those are the 5 tips I have for spotting fake Amazon reviews. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it. Follow me. If you go to in30minutes.com or in30minutes.biz, you can see more of the books that we offer. Thank you so much for watching.